Watch Martha skirt. Keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert. Garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk. Con basics with a bird. Shazam! It's RazzleCon! We're ready to berazzle some stuff. I have these old boots of mine that are kind of ugly. They're by Columbia, but they're dull. They're good quality, but they're not very attractive, and so I don't like to wear them, but they're snow boots. And so the first step that we need to do is we need to clean them a little. But then after that, we're gonna take out the laces. So I have some water right here. So I'm just gonna take the boot, kind of wipe off any of the under residue that might get stuck on there. Should be okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, but a little bit. Okay. Okay. So I'm really excited because, like I said, I don't really wear these, but I need snow boots for winter in New York, and I don't want them to be ugly. I want them to be cute, and we're gonna berazzle them. Okay, so now we have to take out the laces. Almost there. Oh. This is my least favorite part. Ah, almost. Ooh. Okay, and we got some cool options. So we have this silver paint that's actually for leather, and I think this is suede, so that could be really good. Also we have some like purple paint, be good, like my little razzle nail. The other one broke, sucked. Also purple. We'll probably use, actually this is not the leather paint. The leather paint is this one, and this one. But I'm kind of feeling the one. So we can start with, let's see, actually, kind of feeling right in here is gonna be like a deep purple. So we have this purple paint that I got at Blake. And I'm gonna take, which brush do I wanna use? Yeah, this smells pretty good. So, just gonna take this brush, and I'm gonna start.
Menace to society, higher than the sky can see. You can't get as high as me. Synesthesia, I can see. Menace to society, higher than the sky can see.
And then, I think I also wanna do here. So we've used this one, we've used this one. This one's actually meant for leather, so I'm thinking about using that. But what do we think about maybe we go like silver? You know, the thing about berazzling is a lot of times I don't have a plan. I have some rough idea in my head, but when I'm like berazzling, I just sort of go for it with the flow. So far we have like this. Now we're gonna get, okay. So I'm doing, so far it hasn't gotten screwed up, so cool. Okay. Hot dog, what are we gonna do? We got some options. I wanna be like more different than the other one. Not gonna do it easily. Kinda wanna go on like the outline of this one. Let's see. Hot dog! Okay. We're gonna do another coat, but this is like a good start. So the most fun part is like paint splattering. I can't go too wild in the house and it's not trash day in New York. And it's freezing outside. But I have a little trick that's called using my hair. You'll see, it's gonna be great. We gotta finish this part first though. So we're gonna do silver. Stirring it a little bit. I probably should have like actually stirred it with a stirrer, but I'm very lazy and not proper like my mom. Okay, so we have this. That's where we're at now. So yes. Wait, which one is? Oh, it's this side. I think one of the keys to berazzling, which is something a lot of Americans and people in the West don't do, is layers. Don't be afraid of layers. I don't know, like, minimalism's beautiful and there's a time and place for it, but like, not with razzle. If you want to berazzle, you gotta have layers. And the great part is, if you aren't sure what to do, you can always just add more. Okay. This is looking pretty dope. Thinking about like this bottom, what we want to do or not. So it might come off if we do it in there.
Menace to society, higher than the sky can see. You can't get as high as me. Synesthesia I can see. Don't need PhD and the Ivy League. Black market baby, not a wannabe. Flunk the spelling bee. M-E-N-I-C-K. Mimic? Okay. Now they mimic me, but didn't foresee me on the marquee. Grandmother of freaks, love weirdos and geeks.
Okay, we're gonna do this gold one. I haven't done it yet, but it's gonna be dope. I think, I hope. Okay. This is a good idea. But here we are. Might not have been my best idea because it's kind of weird fabric, but let's try. We started already.
Spirit of a revolutionary, power of a dictator. Love to be contrary, but I'm fly like a gator. I got pilot blood, I'm a real risk taker. Pirate riding the flood, badass money maker. Grandmother crocodile, weirder than an X-file. Brief fire, silver, so sexy when I slither. Sparkle on my little finger, hell of a razzle, ear to ear. Poised to throw a zinger, playing on their worst fear. Russell Khan, the Versace better win. Come real far, but don't.
Let's see. So, what am I feeling? Oh, I got some stuff on there. I'm thinking needs some glow in the dark yellow, because this paint is thicker than my other one. and you just flick it.
The Versace better win, got the bling that win. With the Berber might, I'll win every fight. My swag ain't just lit, silver really packs a hit. Bobby fashion so legit. Pussy bitches saying stop, about to pop, ain't gon' quit. They say Raz a filthy bitch, but they're
More on me than on the thing. Let's see.
street. Silver on my fingers and boots on my feet. Always be a goat, not a goddamn sheep. Email me, fuck your message at the beep. Beep, 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 beep.
So this one's actually looking pretty cool. I might go a little more minimalistic than I normally do with it. For the sake of the situation. Okay.
Everyone worries too much about what's proper, but not Raz, no shame, that don't stop her. Blindly following rules is for fools. Instead I work the edge cases with my tools. Awkward as fuck, act shit like a whirling dervish, better duck. This bitch is Turkish, don't pressure luck. ISIS can't handle them Kurdish. Fuck your Jane Austen romance, rather be taking a taxidermy class. Prefer Vietnam over France, doing my jerk off dance. Looking like a gay male stripper, but my synesthesia world is even trippier. Russell Khan, the Versace better win. Come real far, but don't know where I'm heading. Motherfucking crocodile of Wall Street. Silver on my fingers and boots on my feet. Always be a goat, not a goddamn sheep. Email me, fuck your message at the beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Okay, and these are some Barazzle shoes. Wait till they are done. RazzleCon here, and I'm about to finish berazzling my winter snow boots. So before, they were like totally just black, plain, nothing going on, kind of boring. And I've already added a lot of detail, the silver in here, the purple, some silver and gold and kind of pink. Obviously this glow in the dark yellow green, which you can see definitely glows. So we're about done. We just have 2 last steps we have to do. And you can see this part, which is really dope, where I covered up the old logo. It also glows. So I'm done with this. We can take off the tape that helped keep the fur from getting paint in it. So I'll just put this over here. And we have 2 steps left. So I need to add a little more silver paint right around here on both shoes. And then we need to use these gold laces that I bought off Amazon. And then we'll be ready. So let's shake it first. It's always good to shake. Just like when you go in the bathroom. On paint. This is leather paint. And it's a little bit different color, but it'll stay on better. So we're actually gonna use this one. Let's see. So again, shake it. And this one has a built-in paintbrush. So we just so excited. It's gonna snow, and now I will have really cool snow boots, not ugly ones. And then we got the gold. Oops, that tape is on it. Okay. 2 gold. Ooh, are there more? Oh, where does it start and stop? Gold. Okay. We have the gold lace. And we just have to start.
Menace to society, higher than the sky can see. You can't get as high as me. Synesthesia, I can see. Menace to society, higher than the sky can see. You can't get as high as me. Synesthesia, I can see. Big troublemaker, made rules cause I'm me. Crazy outlier, notoriety, real icebreaker.
Oh, here we have it. 2 bedazzled shoes, and they look awesome. And even better, they glow in the dark. I'm ready for winter. I'm a California girl. Lived in Cairo, Hong Kong. Don't really know about the snow, but I'm getting to become a real New York girl. So, check it. Last thing, just since they're all bedazzled now, you can see all the glowing, especially best part. And it matches my tat. So you can see my glow in the dark eye. And you have this and all this. Pretty dope. Okay, that's how you berazzle snow boots. Razzle con. Razzle dazzle. Tell me in the comments if there's anything else you'd like me to berazzle. I'll teach you. And I would love to see whatever you berazzle. So that's it. Razzle dazzle. Bye.
Hey, Turkish Martha Stewart, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke, showing off her inverse twerk. At dark she come alert, like beard. Icky ooch dirt, beard. Icky ooch dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart, Turkish Martha Stewart. Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart, Turk Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart, beer Icky ooch dirt. Smokes hashish with Snoop, mix the best lentil soup. Whipping up tabbouleh like hella majnouni. Everyone wants a taste. Got too close, broke his face. She'll tell you choke his ass.